Hello dear viewers, welcome back to another video. Today I watch you some colorful fish and they are looking good activities. This fish is playing well, beautiful scenery, creative, wonderful, exciting moment. Wow. Oh. Yeah, it's looking good. They're looking good, playing well. Beautiful scenery. Whoa, taking a rest. This is the wonderful colorful scenery. Colorful fish. Golden fish are playing well. This is green color fish, this yellow color fish, this pink color fish, golden color fish, pink color fish, white fish, playing well. Beautiful scenery, creative, wonderful. Mashallah. Playing well. Wow. Beautiful scenery. Exciting moment. Looking good. They're playing here. Wow. Mashallah. I hope you enjoy these videos. Please subscribe my channel and comment your valuable comments in comment box. Look, very nice. Looking, actually this place is with stone. This is the beautiful scenery created here. Wow, I hope you enjoy. This is the hill text area, and finally this is wonderful. This is currents are blowing here. I hope you enjoy this colorful place. Wow, it's looking good, mashallah. See you next video. Allah, bye bye, take care.